Welcome to all. In this mathematics video, we study how to trace a Cartesian curve with the help of example. Problem number 8. Trace the curve y square in bracket x square minus 1 equal to x. This question asked in a first year engineering May 17 in SPPU University. So in step number 1, we find a region of absence. So here we get a region of absence is nothing but the area which lies between x is 0 to x is 1 and all the x values those are less than minus 1 is nothing but our region of absence. So from step number 1 we get So this is what our region of absence we get from step number 1. From step 2, we need to check whether the origin is a point on the curve. So if you observe here, we get the curve passes through the origin. So from step 2, we get, from step number 3, we need to find tangent at origin, and from step number 3, we get y-axis is nothing but the tangent at origin. So from step 3, we get, so y-axis is nothing but tangent at origin, and behavior of a curve at origin is so out of this we consider only the left hand side area because in the right hand side we have region of absence. In step number 4 we find a point of intersection with the x-axis and y-axis, and if you observe we get only the origin as a point of intersection. So in step number 4 we are getting the same point. Similarly, in step number 5, we find tangent at a point of intersection. We find a tangent at a origin. So nothing is new. Now we go for the step number 6. In step number 6, we find then symmetricity. So for this particular curve, we get curve is symmetric about x-axis only. So from step number 6, we get symmetricity about x-axis like this. In step number 7 we find an asymptote. So here we get x-axis as an asymptote. So we get behavior of a curve at asymptote is like this. But we cannot consider this area because that is in a region of absence. So we get only this behavior. So here we get equation of asymptote parallel to y-axis is x is equal to plus or minus 1. So we get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are the asymptotes. These are the asymptotes and behavior of the curve near to the asymptotes. So out of this we consider only the right hand side because in the left hand side there is a region of absence. Similarly for x is equal to 1, behavior of the curve at the asymptote is like this. Out of this we consider only the right hand side because in the left hand side there is a region of absence. So only this much information we have. So from this we can now trace the curve. So let's start with from the right hand side. The curve is like this and it is symmetric about x, so same we will get in the downward side. Similarly at 0, 0 we get as it is symmetric about x. So this is how we get the required curve. Now before going for the final curve, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the new updates. So the final curve is like this. Hope you understand. Thank you. Visit again, comment below, subscribe the channel to get the new updates. Do your best.